Hey everyone, it's Cheryl from Teaching 2 and 3-year-olds. This week is a bear theme, week number 2, and pretty much we're leaving the classroom set up exactly as it was last week because the children really got engaged with all of the activities. We are just about exactly halfway through our school year, and it's amazing how much more engaged they're becoming. So because of that, I observed that they really were using a lot of our activities, and I don't feel they're ready yet for us to change anything. So because the classroom looks pretty much the same, I'm not going to do another classroom tour, but if you missed last week's, look in the description of this video because I'll put a link in there and you can see how our classroom is set up for our bear theme and all the fun things that we're doing. But I also wanted to let you know that I just published a blog post that will help you plan for February, because I know that you all are aching to get out your planners and start filling in what you're going to be doing. So in this blog post, I have some ideas for themes. I have some ideas for all the different activities that you can do during your centers, large motor, fine motor, etc. That's all inside that blog post, as well as some free printables. And I also asked my readers in my Facebook group what they're doing for February, and they gave me some really good ideas. So I am also going to have those mentioned in the blog post as well. So join me next week as I give you a tour of how our classroom is set up for February. But in the meantime, check out my blog post and start planning for the month of February. Thanks for watching.